Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to head down to Los Ayalas, which is where we're staying. We actually haven't gone here yet, even though we've been here 3 or 4 days. We haven't gone into town, so we're going to go down there where that water is. There's a beach. We'll hang out there for a little bit today, do some shopping at the market. We'll go in, and if we eat whatever we eat, we'll show the prices, all that good stuff.
Oh, you're a lush. How are you going to do that?
Anyway, hope you like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please think about it. Click the like button below for the video and hit the bell if you want to be notified when we make another one. So we'll see how the day goes. So I'm going to show you in live time how long it takes to get from our casa on the hill here down into the town. I could probably walk a straight line there in less than 2 minutes, 3 minutes, but that's not the case in a car. Actually, you can't walk a straight line because there's no way to do that. But anyway, you'll see it. So we're not going to put you through the whole thing, but it was about an 8-minute drive from our Airbnb down into town. Now that was a little bit inconvenient, to be honest. If you had mobility issues or you didn't have a rental car, you might want to definitely consider staying in town. So after we slithered our way down the hill from the Airbnb, we went into Guayabitos and got some breakfast at Cafe La Ola. We had a couple omelets, some fried eggs with nachos and beans, and Kim got a club sandwich. Throw a couple coffees and a juice in there, and that cost us 415 pesos. Or about 33.40 Canadian or 24.70 US. I thought you said this video was about Los Ayala. Well, it is, but Guayabitos is really close, and we wanted to try that breakfast place. So we're headed right back to Los Ayala. We're going to check out what the town has to offer. Watch your doors on the metal poles here. Maybe we should have come here down here last night, eh? There's restaurants all down this street. Kim, that's a poblano.
Yeah, okay.
Oh my god, look at the top shelf, guys.
Really? Yeah.
In with the onions. I don't know how hygienic that is, but it's kind of cute. One thing you'll realize about Mexico is there's tons of fresh fruit. It's available everywhere you go in town. Every little small store seems to have a little bit of variety. Some are different than others, but yeah, you're not going to go starving for lack of fruit here, or veggies for that matter. Daniel. Oh, we got a bakery here. That's pretty good. Sidewalk's pretty cool. The pineapples will stop there.
Yeah.
Passion fruit must not be in season, eh? Oh, look at this.
Don't fear that. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Bimbo. I think that means the same thing in Mexico as it does in Canada. Yep, primary school. Look at that painting on the wall over there though. Wow. Well, that's incredible. Thanks for sharing that. That's good fun. Apparently tourists down here, expats, got together and painted all this stuff. So that's pretty cool. Amigo.
Look at the parents.
Yeah. Get the fence in the way.
A big new one going up.
Yeah, there's lots of new construction here.
Yeah.
You scared for it?
Yeah. I know.
The pole's like in the worst possible
I
way
know.
for a photo op. Fire the engineer to come up with that. Stops the bugs from going up the trees, somebody told me the other day. All those paintings, so it serves dual purpose. Here's El Centro. Oh, that's cool. Say this in every place we go pretty much in Mexico, but the art's everywhere. I paint it like that. If you don't like that, I probably don't like you. Just kidding. But it is cool, definitely. Small town, not real busy. People seem really polite that we've run into. Talked to some people off camera. Not everybody wants to be on camera, so no, I like this place. I don't know if I'd stay here long term. I'd have to maybe try a couple weeks instead of just one. But again, art everywhere. And this is the Los Ayala sign. Pretty much when you're looking for these signs, if you're in town, ask somebody to point you towards Centro. And that's where you'll find these. That is a cool one.
I know.
Why don't you paint the trees in our yard to look this pretty? Kind of hard to paint a pine tree. I want you to paint needle by needle.
Yeah.
Got a laundry right across from there if you're staying here.
If I drop it off, I pick it up. It's a delight.
Yep. Notice more bathing suits around this area for sale than other places for whatever reason. You better fire the pool boy. Not that you could hear me over that bike, but that's a medical center there. I don't know what all goes on. I don't know if you can go in there to get treated, but it's there. I don't know if you can hear me over that construction, but I'll tell you something, that chicken sure smells good over there. It's a nice looking place. At least it's freshly painted. I don't know how much nicer than that it is. Pharmacy. Yeah.
10 pesos.
10 pesos.
Under a buck.
I don't know how much a pineapple is. Oh, right there. You get 4 for 50 pesos, so 1 for food. Look at the size of that jackfruit. Holy crap. The street the market on is, what time is it now? About noon?
Hottest time
Yeah,
to be
we always
walking
pick the
around.
hottest time of the day to go walking through places, but yeah, we're just going down the market street. That's what you're seeing right now. Karen, if that was open right now, they'd have burrito tacos.
What, the sand?
Yeah.
So there is a bit of food down here. We wonder about that, right?
You should have come down here and looked around. You're right.
How much? 180.
Hola.
Hola, hola.
How much for the church?
180.
That lion one's pretty cool down there.
Yes, that's the one we like. That's that famous painting they do from here.
I like that one. I would wear that.
The lion one? Dos, trois, you buy more.
Cuando tos y transit.
150.
150. Yeah, maybe. I like those ones. Yeah, they're nice.
I don't want
Like
to carry
the
everything
lion
around all day though. Are
Yeah.
you how late you open? Cerrado
Kelura.
Ok, hasta las 10 de la noche.
at night.
Hasta las 10 de la
10?
noche.
10. Okay.
Look at that sexy bitch over there, huh? Yeah, I'm talking to you, mister. You found a wrap yet? Like,
No.
have you even looked?
Yeah.
The sound of expansion. I don't know what that is. I've never had bolo before. Mangoes, seen better days always. Coconuts. Watermelons are bigger. The other ones are 10 pesos, but probably half the size. Massage place down there.
Oh, yeah?
By appointment, it says. They speak English.
They do?
It says on the sign they do.
Cafe. Yeah.
Kill a banana. Los Ayala.
Smoking a cigarette.
I got my gimbal with me
Oh,
in
okay.
the trunk.
Kim thinks it's up and over a block.
Alright, let's do it.
It's pretty packed down there, though.
Yeah. Well, there's the other way too. I don't know what's the other way. Getting out of the sun might be a good idea though.
Yeah.
So we got out of the sun at the Mardu restaurant. I did a beach walk. These guys had a couple cocktails. It was one of the last restaurants on the north side of the beach. All right, so we paid $4.40 for 3 Caesars, a mojito, pineapple mojito, and one margarita. Although I think we had more. I saw you had a margarita, you had a strawberry margarita.
No, theirs was separate.
Oh, you're a lush. How many drinks have you had? Oh my God, beach bum. The guy down there in the purple shirt is selling beach donuts and some cakes. Kim waved him over.
How much are they?
What kind? What kind is that?
Strawberry.
What is it?
Strawberry.
And now what? Oh, that's a muffin.
Yeah.
And
Banana, corn, pecan, coconut, pineapple.
he's also selling some pies. You can see there on the side, on the right. Man,
I've heard the cheese ones are good.
yeah,
Oh, it's good.
precious. Yeah, that's right. What's the damage on that? For 5? For 5? Yeah. Nice. As dude packed up his donuts, I got the drone out and took it for a rip up and down the beach. Jumped in the water, went for a swim myself, and then we headed back up to the Airbnb and hung out there for the rest of the day. We'll have some footage coming up from this town at night in another video. And I did a beach walk while those guys were having some drinks, so the next video on our channel will be the Los Ayala beach walk. But anyway, we hope you enjoyed the video, got something out of it. Lately we've had some people ask how they can support the channel, and if you would like to help out, you could just watch the videos, like the videos, subscribe if you're not subscribed. All those things help us get noticed in YouTube land. You can also buy us a virtual cup of coffee at Buy Me a Coffee, or links in the description of the video as well. If you have any questions that you want to ask us, you can get a hold of us on our social media. That's also linked in the description. We hope you enjoyed this look at Los Ayala. Until next time, cheers. So after we slinkered's not even a word. So after we, I don't even know where that came from.